In this video, we will learn on how to find expectation and variance for continuous random variable. So before this, you already learned on how to find these two, expectation and variance, for discrete random variable. For continuous random variable, we have a slightly different formula for expectation, but for the others, it remains the same. Okay, so we just have to focus for expectation itself. In order to find expectation or expected value or mean, that's all the same, we have to integrate the function times with variable x from negative infinity up to positive infinity. So senang cerita, kena integrate semua function yang ada, darabkan dengan x. So the same case if we want to find ex squared. So integrate function times with x squared. Okay, that's for expectation and ex squared. For variance, our formula remain the same. It's still ex squared minus squared of ex. And then in order to find the standard deviation, it's still surd of our variance. As before, you already learned about the properties. So for properties part, these are the same as discrete random variable. Untuk bahagian properties, tak ada apa-apa yang berubah. Okay, let's try example. So now we have a continuous random variable as follow. Okay, we have only one function from 2 up to 5 and the function is 2 over 7 of x minus 1. So first part, we have to find expectation of x. Okay, so remember the formula. In order to find expectation, we have to integrate x times with our function. So what do we do here? Check the range. So careful, our range is now from 2 up to 5. X times with our function here. So 2 over 7 x minus 1. Next part, you just have to simplify this up, substitute the limit and find the expectation. So 2 over 7, I factorize out. X squared integrate, we get x cubed over 3. Integrate x, we get x squared over 2. And our range is from 2 up till 5. Okay. Substitute one by one the limit. I didn't show that step here, but carefully for exam, you must show the step on how, you must show the substitute step. So here, your answer should be 57 over 7. Okay. That's for the first part, expectation of x. Moving on, part B. We have to find e of x plus 1. So this is actually using the concept of properties. So if I open up, this is actually expectation of x plus e of 1. Expectation of x, our answer before, 57 over 7. Expectation of 1 is 1. And this would be equal to 64 over 7. Next one, part C, e of 10 minus x. Okay, so this is still using the concept of properties. E of 10 minus ex. So e of 10 is 10. Ex is 57 over 7. So here, our answer would be 13 over 7. Okay, settle with the properties. Next one, we have to find ex squared. So by using the formula, this is actually integral of x squared times with the function. So careful, we're still using the same limit. It's still from 2 up to 5, but now we have to use x squared times with 2 over 7 of x minus 1. Okay, so simplify as before, 2 over 7. So x cubed integrate, we get x to the power of 4 over 4. Integrate x squared, we get x cubed over 3. And our limit is still from 2 up to 5. So carefully substitute the limit and compute the value. Here you should get 453 over 14. Okay. And then last one for question E, we have to find expectation of x plus 2 squared. Okay, careful here. We have a quadratic function there. So you don't have any other choice but to expand the function first. So this is actually x squared plus 4x plus 4. And now you can find this by using the concept of properties. So this is actually e of x squared plus e of 4x plus e4. And now you may substitute each value. E of x squared is 453 over 14. E of 4x is 4 times with ex, so times with 57 over 7. And E4 is basically 4. So here our final answer should be 965 over 14. Okay. So that is the calculation for expectation and then also involving the properties of expectation for continuous random variable. For properties part, jalan kerja tak ada beza langsung dengan discrete. Yang berbeza kat bahagian expectation, kita kena integrate satu-satu. Okay. Now, kita proceed kepada soalan yang melibatkan variance pula. Okay, so given we have a probability density function here, calculate the variance of x and variance of 4x plus 1. Okay, but careful here, we have two different function. So, in order to find the expectation, kita kena integrate two different function one by one. Hati-hati bahagian tu je. Okay, first, before find variance, we have to find ex and ex squared first. Tak ada cara lain. So, itu bahagian yang lecehnya lah. So, find ex means, ingat tadi, integrate x time function. So, itu yang kita kena buat. So, first, integrate from 0 up to half. X times with the function of 4 over 3, 1 minus x. Okay, plus with, because we have two different functions. So, integrate from half up to 1 x times with 4 over 3x. Okay. Then, simplify this up. 4 over 3 is just a constant. So, we have integrate x is x squared over 2. Integrate x squared, we get x cubed over 3. So here also the same, we have x squared, so integrate that part, it should be x cubed over 3 from half up till 1. And then substitute the limit as usual, carefully, finding the value one by one. This is actually half. Okay, settle for expectation. Now we proceed with ex squared. So integrate x squared times with our function. Okay, yang berubah kat sini bahagian x squared je. Function sama, limit sama. So, first one 0 up till half x squared times with 4 over 3, 1 minus x. And then we have from half up till 1 x squared times with 4 over 3x. Okay, simplify. So, we have to integrate first one is x squared. So, x cubed over 3. X cubed should be x4 over 4. Okay, plus with x cubed. So we get x to the power of 4 over 4 from half up till 1. And then the same process as before. Carefully substitute the limit one by one. Here you should get 25 over 72. Settle with both two. Baru boleh cari variance. So variance of x by using the formula is actually e of x squared minus squared of ex. Since we already find both values, just directly substitute. So we have 25 over 72 minus with half squared. And here our answer would be 7 over 72. Okay, and then last one, we have properties question. Variance of 4x plus 1. So open this up. This is actually variance of 4x plus with variance of 1. Variance of 1 is basically 0. Variance of 4x is 4x times with our variance just now. So variance is 7 over 72. So our final answer would be 14 over 9. Settle. So that's for the variance part for continuous random variable. Dia leceh kat atas ni je. Nak cari EX awak kena integrate. Nak cari EX squared pun kena integrate. Dah dapat dua-dua, baru masuk dalam formula yang sama for variance of X. And then nak cari properties, tak ada beza lah. Still properties yang sama. Okay, that's all for variance and expectation for continuous random variable.